Hi, my name is Randy Madden. I'm here at Brighton Salon in Beverly Hills, and I'm using the new Cabello blow dryer. Very lightweight. My beautiful model Ariel and I are going to do a blow dry. This blow dryer is going to diffuse the hair. It's going to make it less frizzy, and it's going to have a beautiful wave when I'm done with it. So try the Cabello blow dryer today. Hey guys, this is Randy Madden, celebrity hairstylist over here in Brighton Salon in Beverly Hills. I've worked on some celebrities like Lady Gaga, Jared Leto, a couple rock stars, and I'm here with the Pro 3600 Cabello dryer. It was really nice, it was light, it dried the hair, smoothed the hair, the nozzle's really nice, it didn't pop off like most other dryers do, and hopefully all you ladies will have a Cabello dryer in your bathroom coming soon.